Hello, friends. Welcome to Wonderville Studios and Father
Sonday.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Boom! Today we are going to draw Logan's favorite thing to draw.
A fox.
What did the fox say? Ding, 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 ding,
What's wrong with you?
ding. Many things. All you need to do this fox, though, is some markers, some paper. Today we're going to learn how to draw Logan's fox.
Yeah, it's going to be the coolest fox in the town.
All right, guys, we're all set to draw
A fox.
We're all set to draw Logan's fox. I can't wait to draw Logan's fox.
Yeah.
All right, Logan. So let's take him through it, man.
All right. So first,
We start with that page. What, horizontal, right?
Yeah.
Sideways. All right.
sideways like this.
Okay.
First, you start with drawing a triangle at the top, like right here. This.
Triangle. Okay. All right.
And then bring it down into sort of like a bigger triangle shape.
Is it important for us to give it the hairy look to it?
No, not really.
Okay.
But
So bring it down like this.
and then bring it up, like back the same way that it was before.
So we're making like a V.
Yeah.
All right. Perfect.
And then ear number 2.
So another upside down V.
Yeah.
All right.
And then line across.
So we're connecting those two V's together.
Yeah.
All right.
And then draw a circle down here for the nose.
A circle for the nose. Okay. And do we color that in?
Yep.
Okay. Sweet.
Alright, then next, for the eyes,
Right.
draw 2 ovals.
Are they just like in the middle anywhere?
Yeah.
So 2 ovals for the eyes.
What I like to do to make it cuter is draw a line that's sort of like a half circle there.
Okay.
Half circle at the bottom too.
Half circle at the bottom. Okay.
Then color it in.
Color in the middle part?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then draw that on the other eye.
Okay. And then another one, and then fill that in too?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
And then if you want to make it even cuter, then draw little lines at the bottom like this.
Like he's getting ready to play football?
Sort of,
Like
but
that stuff?
and then in the ears draw little triangles and fill those in.
Triangles inside the ears. All right. Oh, you fill those in too? All right. Sweet.
Yep.
Alright.
Then after that, for the body, you bring it out like this.
We draw a straight line out?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then sort of curve it like this.
Kind of like a half circle kind of.
Yeah. Then
Okay.
bring it down.
Okay.
Stop like somewhere for the tail.
Okay.
I'm gonna make mine right here.
So then we put a tail like facing down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you bring it down some more.
Okay. Continue the line. All right.
Then you curve it again.
Okay.
And then I don't really. It depends where you want to put your legs.
Right.
But I like to put mine like a little bit out like this.
Oh crap! I already put my leg on there. All right. Well, that's okay. All right.
Yeah. And then bring it out a little bit more.
Bring it over a little more.
Then draw the other leg stubbier.
Stubbier. Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
And then put another stubby leg right here. But yeah. And then
Okay.
bring it out even more. And then if you want, you can either put the back leg here or here. I'm going to put it here.
What if I want mine to only have 3 legs?
Well, then, okay.
He could be like a pirate.
Yeah.
Like one. I'm gonna have my guy have like one. Like he's like a pig leg. He's like a pirate.
Whoa.
He's a foxy
And then-
pirate. Arr.
If you want to get extra fancy, you can draw like a little background thing for
Okay.
grass.
So like you just draw like an arch for grass.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we can put some like one standing up and it kind of looks like grass, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
And then.
What about a t-shirt? Can I put a t-shirt on mine?
Yeah, you can do anything you want with it.
So if I put a t-shirt on mine, it says keep on trucking.
Yeah.
Because he's like a truck driving fox. He's a peg leg truck driving fox. So he says keep on trucking.
That's cool.
All right, sweet.
All right, then. You can draw a happy sun.
Happy sun, all right.
Or a sad sun if you want, but no one likes sad suns.
Right. So the sun is happy.
Eyes.
Okay.
And then draw big smiling and little dimples.
Sweet. This is our fox.
Yeah.
What else should we do to it? Should we sign her name?
Yeah.
Right? It's important. My guy needs, if he's gonna keep on trucking, he's got to have a hat on.
I almost forgot the best part.
What's the best part? I forgot my fox tail, you know, because like tail fox have that stripe on it. Oh, yours is a farting fox.
Yeah.
Yeah, how fitting. Surprise, surprise that you would do that. Logan is a fan of the farting foxes.
Yes. Farty foxes are the best foxes.
Well, man, I really thought it was cool that you shared with us how to draw a fox. How you do it. Logan draws the fox like this all over the house all the time.
Yeah.
And I think it's really cool that we were able to show everybody watching this about your creativity.
Yeah.
Right? Because it's really cool to like share your creativity with other people. And because you might, I mean, what do you think? You think it'd be cool if maybe you inspired somebody out there to try it?
Yeah.
Right?
We almost forgot one of the big parts.
What?
We forgot to put the year, the day, or whatever.
The year. So the year is 2018. Right on. So a lot of times when we make creative stuff, it's just really kind of about showing up and sharing with other people about how to be creative, right? And I think it's really cool that you took the time to share with us your creativity. And yeah, thanks, man.
Thank you.
You have anything you would like to add to this video, sir?
I don't know.
That's a lot of stuff to add.
Yeah. Wait. One thing.
One thing. What would you like?
I gotta add something to the fox. I gotta name it.
What's his name?
Let's see.
Potato Chip Jimmy. Potato Chip Jimmy the Fox, guys. There you have it. So, guys, we make sure that you are nice to people, you inspire others, and you be the weird
you want to see in the world.
That's right. Until we see you next time, happy drawing and have fun.
Yeah.
See ya.
See ya.
We did it again, dude.
Woo.
Boom. Hello, friends. Welcome back to Wonderville Studios. What's that?
No.
I have a hair in my mouth.
That's yummy.
I have a hair in my mouth. I don't have a hair in my head.
No.
Hey Wonder Friends, thanks for drawing with us. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We upload new videos all the time. Now with the help of your parents, we'd love to see your drawings. So make sure you have them uploaded to Facebook or Twitter. They can find us at Wonderville Studios. We would love to see what your drawings and your creativity and your uniqueness come to life. And until we see you, be nice and inspire others. See ya!